If you're watching this, you or someone you care about may have been involved in a truck accident. I'm here to give you straightforward information about finding the right truck accident lawyer near you who can help you get the compensation you deserve. Truck accidents are devastating. They cause catastrophic injuries, significant financial burdens, and overwhelming stress. Unlike regular car accidents, truck accident cases involve complex federal regulations, multiple liable parties, and trucking companies with aggressive legal teams. Today, I'll explain exactly what to look for in a truck accident attorney, how they can help maximize your compensation, and why acting quickly is essential to protecting your rights. Why you need a specialized truck accident lawyer. Let's get straight to the point. Truck accident cases are fundamentally different from regular car accidents, and here's why. First, truck accidents typically cause more severe injuries due to the massive size and weight difference between commercial trucks and passenger vehicles. An 80,000-pound fully loaded semi-truck creates forces that passenger vehicles simply can't withstand. Second, trucking companies and their insurers have immediate response teams and investigators who arrive at accident scenes quickly to build their defense. While you're focusing on medical treatment, they're already working to minimize their liability. Third, truck accident cases involve specialized federal regulations from a Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, that don't apply to ordinary vehicles. These regulations govern hours of service logs, driver qualification requirements, vehicle maintenance records, weight restrictions, cargo securement rules. Fourth, multiple parties may share liability, including the truck driver, the trucking company, the vehicle manufacturer, maintenance contractors, cargo loading companies, parts manufacturers. A general practice attorney simply won't have the specialized knowledge needed to effectively handle these complexities. You need a lawyer who focuses specifically on truck accident cases and understands how to identify and preserve critical evidence before it disappears. Work with accident reconstruction experts to prove fault. Navigate complex insurance policies with multiple coverage layers. Calculate full lifetime damages for catastrophic injuries. Counter the strategies of well-funded trucking company legal teams. The stakes are too high to choose the wrong representation. Your financial future and recovery depend on having the right legal advocate. What a truck accident lawyer does for you. When you hire a specialized truck accident lawyer, they immediately begin working on multiple fronts to protect your interests. Immediate investigation. Your attorney will dispatch investigators to document the accident scene, photograph evidence, measure skid marks, and collect witness statements before crucial evidence disappears. They'll also send spoliation letters to prevent companies from destroying evidence like electronic logging devices, ELDs, dashboard camera footage, maintenance records, driver qualification files, cell phone records, evidence collection. Your lawyer will obtain critical evidence to build your case. Black box data from the truck, hours of service logs, trucking company safety records, drug and alcohol testing results, driver's qualification file and training history, vehicle inspection reports, witness testimonies, police reports, medical records, expert consultation. They'll work with specialists to strengthen your case. Accident reconstruction experts, medical specialists, economists to calculate lifetime earnings loss, life care planners for future medical needs, vocational rehabilitation experts, legal protection. Your attorney creates a buffer between you and insurance companies who want to record statements that can be used against you, pressure you into accepting low settlement offers, get you to sign medical releases, giving them access to your entire medical history, trick you into admitting partial fault. Comprehensive damage assessment. A qualified truck accident lawyer ensures all damages are properly calculated. Current and future medical expenses. Lost wages and diminished earning capacity. Pain and suffering. Emotional distress. Loss of enjoyment of life. Property damage. Home modifications for disabilities. In-home care costs. Strategic negotiation. With all evidence and damages properly documented, your attorney will develop a compelling demand package. Negotiate from a position of strength. Prepare for trial while pursuing settlement. Reject inadequate offers. Counsel you on when to settle and when to fight. The difference between having a specialized truck accident lawyer and a general practice attorney can literally be millions of dollars in your final recovery. Identifying the right truck accident lawyer near you. Not all personal injury lawyers have the experience and resources to handle complex truck accident cases. Here's how to find the right attorney near you. Look for specialized experience. When researching truck accident lawyers near me, focus on attorneys who specifically mention truck accidents on their website, not just general personal injury. Have a proven track record of truck accident settlements and verdicts. Share case results showing large recoveries for truck accident victims. Demonstrate knowledge of FMCSA regulations. Have trial experience against major trucking companies. Evaluate their resources. Truck accident cases require substantial financial investment. Make sure your attorney has access to accident reconstruction experts, relationships with medical specialists, the financial strength to advance case costs, a support team of investigators and paralegals, technology to analyze electronic data from trucks. Check their reputation. Before scheduling a consultation, read reviews from former clients. Check their ratings on legal directories like Avu, Martindale-Hubbell, and Superlawyers. Look for peer recognition and awards within the field. Research their standing with your state's bar association. See if they're members of trial lawyer associations like the American Association for Justice Trucking Litigation Group. Remember that most reputable truck accident attorneys offer free consultations and work on contingency fees, meaning you pay nothing upfront and nothing at all unless they win your case. The sooner you have specialized legal representation, the stronger your position will be. While you focus on physical and emotional recovery, your attorney will handle the complex legal battle to secure the compensation you deserve. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical legal information. In the description below, you'll find links to resources about truck accident cases and how to find qualified attorneys in your area. Stay safe on the roads, and remember that if disaster strikes, specialized legal help is available to protect your rights and future.